Good morning, all of you. Hydroxy compounds, alcohol. Short answer question, part 15. Methyl magnesium iodide cyclohexanone followed by hydrolysis gives A. A when treated with HBr gives compound B. B when treated with magnesium ether gives compound C, which when treated with formaldehyde and followed by hydrolysis gives compound D. Identify A, B, C, D and write the complete equation. Slowly we will start to write the equation. Grignard reagent. Methyl magnesium bromide. Cyclohexanone, the starting material. It is a ketone. Double bond O. Cyclohexanone. Shall I write the name? When treated with methyl magnesium bromide, CH3 MgBr gives, you know what happens? Magnesium is a metal, always loss electron becomes positive ion, methyl becomes minus. In the C double bond O, oxygen is more electronegative, therefore it pulls the shared pair of electron towards itself. Oxygen becomes minus, that carbon becomes plus. Add plus to minus, minus to plus. You will get an intermediate compound. Now start with the, here you have one single bond, oxygen. To this minus, MgBr plus is added, magnesium bromide, and to this plus one CH3 is added. This is our intermediate compound, which on hydrolysis in the presence of mineral acid. Mineral acid dilute HCl or dilute sulfuric acid, provide water molecule H plus and OH minus. Magnesium is a metal, loss electron becomes positive ion, oxygen becomes minus. Add H plus to O minus and OH minus to Mg plus. You will get an alcohol here, OH. Cyclohexyl group, and in this carbon, one methyl is attached, CH3. And now there is one OH also. Which one is removed? Magnesium bromohydrin is removed. Magnesium bromohydrin. This is compound A. This is compound A. What is compound A? Cyclohexanol. In the first carbon, it has one methyl group. Therefore, one methyl cyclohexanol. Cyclohexane one all. Cyclohexanol, that is our compound A. Now, the next reaction start with the A. One methyl cyclohexanol. Shall I write here? Starting material. Cyclohexanol one methyl, here one CH3, here you have one OH. When treated with HBr, H plus Br minus, charge on H plus Br minus, what happens? H plus OH minus is removed as H2O, nucleophilic substitution. Br is added, Br minus is added to that carbon atom, same carbon, cyclohexyl group. Here you have one methyl, here you have one Br now attached. This is your compound B. Compound B. In the first carbon you have one bromo and one methyl. So what is the name? One bromo, one methyl cyclohexane. And which when treated with magnesium, Grignard reagent formation magnesium in ether solvent gives this magnesium is added to Br gives cyclohexyl group. Here you have one methyl. There magnesium is added, magnesium valency to MgBr. This is your compound C. Compound C. 1 methyl cyclohexyl magnesium bromide. 1 methyl cyclohexyl magnesium bromide. Magnesium bromide. Grignard reagent. This Grignard reagent undergo reaction with formaldehyde, that is given in our problem, continuous reaction. If formaldehyde is used as one of the reactant along with the Grignard reagent, the product is primary alcohol. Formaldehyde molecular formula HC double bond OH. IUPAC name 1 carbon meth single bond N, not single bond, meth N L, methanol. When treated with that Grignard reagent, 1 methyl cyclohexyl magnesium bromide. Now I write the structure like this. This is your cyclohexyl group. Cyclohexyl group. Here you have 1 methyl. And here you have MgBr. MgBr. We know magnesium is a metal, always lost electron becomes positive ion. This bond is minus. Oxygen is more electronegative. It becomes minus after the bond shifting, carbon becomes plus. Add minus to plus, plus to minus. Plus to minus, MgBr to O minus. So what is the product obtained? In ether, all Grignard reagent addition reaction takes place in triether. Don't forget it. Triether gives HC. Here you have 1 hydrogen. This minus is added to carbon. This is your cyclohexyl group. Cyclohexyl. And in that methyl CH3 is present. To this oxygen 1 MgBr is added. MgBr plus is added to O minus, gives the intermediate compound, which on hydrolysis in presence of mineral acid dilute HCl or dilute sulfuric acid, H plus OH gives a primary alcohol. If formaldehyde is one of the reagent, it gives only primary alcohol. Magnesium plus oxygen becomes minus, H plus is added to O minus, OH minus is added to Mg plus. So the byproduct removed is MgBrOH plus remaining we have primary alcohol. This is where cyclopropyl 1 methyl CH3 CH2OH, CH2OH, primary alcoholic group. This is your CH2OH. Compound D, final compound D. What is the name of this compound? Here the alcoholic functional group is present in this side chain 1. In this carbon atom 1 cyclohexyl and 1 methyl attached. So here first carbon 1 cyclohexyl, in cyclohexyl 1 methyl is attached. 1 carbon meth N all, in first carbon 1 hyphen. This is where 1 methyl cyclohexyl, 1 methyl cyclohexyl meth N all compound D. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.